In this lecture, you will build a personal SOS plan designed to help you ground yourself right in the middle of a spiral, not hours later. Whether it's during a tough conversation, late-night overthinking, or emotional overload at work, this plan provides a fast, repeatable way to reset your mind. Using a combination of tools you've already learned, you will create a calming routine you can turn to anytime your thoughts start to take over. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify your unique overthinking emotional triggers, build a 3-part plan to stop spirals in real time, use repeatable tools to reset your thinking and emotions, why you need an SOS plan. Overthinking often strikes when you're already tired, stressed, or overwhelmed. That's exactly when it's hardest to think clearly or remember what to do. A mind-quieting SOS plan takes the guesswork out of it. You create a cheat sheet for your brain, something you can rely on when your mental clarity disappears. Think of it as an emotional first aid kit, defaulting to habits under stress. In high-stress situations, your brain shifts from intentional thinking to automatic behaviors. This means that unless you've practiced what to do during spirals, your brain will default to whatever's familiar, even if it's scrolling, snapping, or avoiding. But when you build a short, repeatable SOS plan and practice it ahead of time, your brain learns a better default. Tool: the 3-part SOS plan. This plan is designed to be fast and usable. It has 3 steps: notice, reset, and re-enter. Write these down and practice them regularly so they become your mental muscle memory. Notice your early warning signs. Ask yourself, how does my body act when I'm spiraling? Here are some examples: jaw tightens, shoulders tense, fast breathing, checking your phone repeatedly, avoiding decisions or people. Early detection gives you the power to pause before you're deep in the spiral. Reset. Use your go-to tools. Once you notice, apply a fast tool you've already practiced. Examples include the 5-minute awareness reset, Lecture 4, label breathe move, Lecture 6, a quick sensory anchor, cold water, touch, sound, Lecture 7, grounding with an anchor word, e.g., steady, now, 4, 7, 8, breathing or hand-on-heart breaths. Don't overcomplicate it. The best tool is the one you use. Re-enter. Move back with intention. Now that you've calmed your nervous system, ask, what's the next small step I can take? Not the big goal, just the next inch forward. Send the email, respond calmly. Take a break without guilt. Choose instead of react. Example: mid-meeting spiral. Karen is in a team meeting when someone challenges his idea. His chest tightens. His mind races. Did I say something dumb? Everyone's judging me. Here's how his SOS plan works. Notice. He feels his shoulders rise and his throat tighten. Reset. He breathes slowly and silently says, "It's okay to pause." Re-enter. He waits 10 seconds, then says, "Let me rephrase that a bit." He recovers without spinning. He doesn't suppress emotion. He doesn't spiral. He regulates and recovers right there in the moment. You can't stop your brain from reacting, but you can create a personal system that catches the reaction, slows it down, and brings you back to center. Your SOS plan is like muscle memory for your mental health. The more you use it, the more powerful it becomes.